The Worx WG737E cordless lawnmower is a lightweight and easy to maneuver mower, ideal for medium to large size gardens. It's powered by two 4 amp-hour PowerShare batteries, which you can use with all your other PowerShare tools. And with a 37cm cutting blade, this mower is capable of cutting up to 550 square meters on a single battery charge, all collected in a lightweight 40-litre collection bag, easy to carry and easy to use. The mower has a powerful brushless motor which increases the power and significantly improves the runtime of the battery. Worx's cut-to-edge technology allows the mower to cut right up to the lawn edge, reducing the time needed to manually trim those edges later. You can adjust the cutting height of the mower to one of 6 variable cutting heights, perfect for all seasons. And the Auto IntelliCut technology will adjust the power according to the grass conditions, keeping the mower working quietly and efficiently. The mower comes with a mulching insert, so that rather than bagging the cuttings, they can be recycled back into the lawn to retain moisture and nutrients and improve the overall health of the grass. Finally, the handles are adjustable for comfort and fully foldable, so that the mower is compact for convenient storage. To assemble the mower, there are 2 serrated adjustment plates, one for each side of the mower, and marked on the inside with a marking for right and left. Insert the lower arms into the serrated adjustment plates and then place over the fixed serrated plate on the mower. Take an orange adjustment knob and insert through the hole in the arm and into the mower. Start screwing into place. Keep turning the knob until you can push down the orange handle and it exerts enough pressure to clamp the 2 serrated plates together and hold them firmly in place. Do the same for the other side. You may find that you over-tighten or under-tighten the bolt, in which case you will need to experiment, turning the bolt a few turns in either direction to find the right position. Now take the upper section of the mower handle and with the orange safety bar pointing upwards, place over the lower handlebars and insert a bolt through the holes in the arms. Place a washer over the bolt and then tighten on an orange adjustment knob until it can be fastened securely. Do the same for the other side. Once again, you may need to experiment with the number of turns for a firm hold. Place a cable clip over the mower arm and insert the electric cable into the clip to keep it tidy. Use the other cable clip lower down the arm. The bag handle has a long and short end, corresponding to the seating points on the collection bag. Starting with the shorter end, push the handle into the seating point and then push the longer end into place with a firm click. The bag opening has a wire frame and grooved plastic runners which can be clipped onto the wire frame. Do this for all 3 sides. Lift the safety flap and lower the collection bag onto the mower body. Now insert 2 freshly charged PowerShare batteries into the battery compartment and you're ready to go. You can check the battery levels with a push of the orange power test button on the top of the mower. Using the adjustment lever, adjust the mower cutting height and click into place. To start the mower, press the orange safety button down and then push down on the orange safety bar. The mower will start and can be stopped by releasing the orange bar. There's a grass collection indicator on the top of the bag. It flaps up and down until the bag is full, at which point it stops moving. Lift the safety flap up and pull the collection bag off the mower body using the handle. Place back into position once emptied. The WG737E comes with a mulching insert that clips into the back of the mower, using a simple plastic lever to secure it in place. Use the mulching insert when you want to allow the fine grass clippings to drop down into the lawn feeding the grass with nutrients and helping it to retain moisture. Great for the health of the lawn. When finished, you have the option to untighten the orange locking knobs and fold over both the lower section and the upper section of the mower arms to make it super compact. Use their carrying handle to carry the mower back into storage. The Worx 737E is a compact and lightweight lawnmower, ideal for medium to large size gardens. Highly manoeuvrable, it's easy to use and easy to store with its foldable handle. It uses two 4 amp-hour PowerShare batteries, and with its 37 cm cutting blade is capable of mowing up to 550 square meters on a single charge using a highly efficient brushless motor. There's the option of using the mulching insert to mulch your grass clippings as you go. This is the ideal choice for anyone looking for a compact lawnmower with all the technological features you'd expect from Worx. The Worx 733E is a compact lawnmower ideal for the smaller size garden. Easy to use, easy to carry and easy to store. This mower uses a single 4 amp PowerShare battery, and with its 33 cm cutting blade is capable of mowing up to 300 square meters on a single charge. This is the ideal choice for small gardens or anyone looking for a compact, easy to store lawnmower. For those looking for a significant step up, the Worx WG737E is a manoeuvrable lawnmower with a 41 cm cutting blade and powered by two 4 amp-hour PowerShare batteries. It can mow up to 650 square meters of lawn on a single charge. There's a 50-litre collection bag, 6 adjustable cutting heights and a height-adjustable handle which can be fully folded for storage. This mower is ideal for the larger size garden but still manages to keep a lightweight and compact form. We hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.